Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to block an email address in Gmail so you never have to see annoying or unwanted emails from that person ever again. Super quick and easy, let's get into it. Before we start, here's what actually happens when you block someone on Gmail. Any future emails from that person will automatically go straight to your spam folder. They won't show up in your inbox at all. The person you blocked won't get any notification that you blocked them either. And if you ever change your mind, you can unblock them just as easily. All right, let's get into how to actually do it. If you're on a computer, this is the fastest way. Open Gmail and find an email from the person you want to block. Open that email and look at the top right corner of the message. You'll see 3 vertical dots next to the reply button. Click on those dots and a small drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Block, followed by the sender's name. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Just click Block again, and that's it. Done. From this point on, every single email from that address goes straight to spam and never touches your inbox again. If you're on the Gmail app on your phone, the steps are almost identical. Open the app and find an email from the sender you want to block. Open the email and look for the 3 dots in the top right corner of the message. On iPhone, they might appear horizontal instead of vertical, but it's the same thing. Tap those dots, and from the menu that pops up, select Block followed by the sender's name. Confirm by tapping Block again, and you're done. Works the same on both iPhone and Android. By the way, I've written a detailed article with images for each step. Link is in the description if you prefer reading. A couple of quick things worth knowing. Blocking someone moves their future emails to spam, but it does not delete the old emails they already sent you. Those stay right where they are. Also, if you're getting spam from tons of different addresses, but they all come from the same website or company, you can block the entire domain instead of one address at a time. Just go to Filters and Blocked Addresses in Settings, create a new filter, and in the From field, type the domain name, like @spamwebsite.com. This blocks every single address from that domain all at once. Really powerful trick. And that's everything you need to know about blocking email addresses in Gmail. Clean inbox, no stress. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more Gmail tips. Drop a comment if you have any questions, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.